Hi guys, welcome to RJG Vlog. We're going to Cagayan de Oro together with my brother and mother and his girlfriend guys. So we are four together in this mini K-truck. So and guys, enjoy natin yung biyahe guys and keep safe sa biyahe guys. Ingat kasi maulan ang panahon.
So really yan guys, brother guys. Ako rin guys, good morning. It's 6 AM. Ako brother. So, dami diri karon sa nice view in Quezon. Alright. This is view deck guys. Ayun lang.
Vlog ko na ba?
Checkpoint.
Juan Don Carlos.